Welcome back, guys. So, this is Lab. If you haven't subscribed to Life Around Barber, please subscribe to Life Around Barber. I'm Roy the Barber. This is my channel. If you haven't been here, this is your first time. I just do reviews, in my opinion, about the barber industry and tools and how you can upgrade. And it's not all about the newest, it's all about what's good for you. This video is about I did a clipper swap. Ain't nothing wrong with clipper swapping. So this is just, I do have my walls. I had the walls and I had the seniors. Just like this, the senior version. And I swapped it out for the Apex, right? Just because, why not swap out clippers that you really don't use, and another barber comes in and they start talking about what they about to do. I said, hey, I had a barber come in, good friend of mine, Darian, comes in, and he said he was going to purchase the wall seniors online and pick them up at the supply store. And you know, the wall seniors, the 1919s, they are pretty pricey, and I have them already, and I really don't use them. And he had the Apex, right? I had these before, but I swapped them out before, so I wanted them back to give them another try. Okay, save me money and saved him some money. Sometimes it's okay just to swap out. It's not about the value and price, it's about what you want to use at the moment. So, believe me, I put this taper blade on the wall, but I've been using them. What I don't like about them is they have the shadow tooth cutter on these, right? I only like the shadow tooth cutter on very SPM clippers at 10,000 and above, to where they cut real good in my opinion. So I'm gonna put the deep tooth cutter on this machine. I think it'll cut a lot better. First of all, it comes with the deep tooth cutter already manufactured. It just so happened this one didn't come with it. He probably took it and put it on another machine. So I ordered my deep tooth cutter right here. I ordered the deep tooth. I want you to, alright, deep tooth cutter. Deep tooth cutter. Yep, right from Stylecraft. My supply, Pro Style Tools, they're out of stock. So I had to go this route. I usually like to support local businesses when I get my supplies. So that's what I'm doing now. And what we're going to do is we're going to take it out the box and let you see the difference. Alright. Take it up out the package. Alright. Deep. See that? Very deep tooth. Right? It's pretty cool. Now I do have I have a lot of like old blades, used blades, just in case. Actually, one of my, as you see, can you see it? So you can see it. Let's see if we zoom. See that? Man, it's right here. A little bump. Good thing I have extra blades, so I put this one on it. Similar, just different. This is just say Stylecraft, this say Gamma. I put it on here, works the same. That's why you have to have blades laying around. And one thing about Stylecraft, man, these machines, they come with extra blades. So good thing I didn't have to really purchase one. I was highly upset. I do like these classic blades, but let's get back on topic. So we're going to go ahead and change these so we can see the difference. And all my clippers, well, not all of them, but I do have the stretch bracket on this one, so we can see the difference. See if we could just get this. You see how these teeth are longer, these teeth are shorter, longer, shorter. So we're gonna put this deep tooth back on this machine and call it a day. And these do have the stretch bracket on it. So I don't have the click lever in them because the click lever stopped them from extending to almost a level 1 cutting open blade. So that's why I do not have the click system on these. And half the time, majority of the time, I'm not using these to fade anyway. Probably using my sabers to fade, and this is just for the hard bulk work. No blending work sometimes. Or no clip over comb work, stuff like that. Ooh yeah. These don't have to be too much zero gap because I don't bought out with these anyway. So to get the full range, a lot of times your clippers don't need to be zero gap. Just close enough to give the full stretch bracket benefit, so not be zero gap. I should pretty much itemize out. Doesn't have to be perfect. You know? Loosen this up a little bit. That's it. That look pretty good. I think I'm gonna tighten it down. Yeah, it's just that these machines, this Apex originally came with the deep tooth, and that's why it has a lot of torque, and that's why it cuts very good with this deep tooth. So I decided to order it and make sure that this machine get the full benefits of the torque and power from this machine. And that's it. One thing about this Barber blade, because it's so smooth, sometimes just trying to set it, it slides a lot, like right now. And that's why I really like it. It glides very good on the scalp. So that's why I like it actually. And that's it, man. Perfect. Perfect. So we're going to do some cuts with this today. But just to inform you, hey man, this is why it's good to just swap out some clippers, man. If you're not using it, you haven't been picking it up, and somebody else, another barber, might not be picking it up in one of his clippers, and y'all be like, hey man, just exchange it, man, just to get some new tools in your hand. Okay, there's nothing wrong with that. It's not about okay, who's getting over money or things like that. It's about just saving, experimenting, putting different blades on it, and call it a day. That's all I think about it. But that's the end of this video. Like I said, please like and subscribe to the channel. And thank you for watching. And hopefully you get some ideas about just clipper swapping. It's cool. I clipper swap all the time. Instead of me buying some, I might as well just swap the ones I don't use. Somebody always like what you're not using, and you would like something that somebody's not using either. So it's vice versa. All right? I'm out of here. You have a good day, you guys. Peace.